Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and we are back on the bike. It is drizzling very. It's very mild, so that's the reason why I could strap the camera on my back and take you guys on a virtual tour today. So what we'll be doing right now is we'll be heading straight. Right now I'm in Kandolim, and as you can see here, there are two roads here. The right from here will take you to the main road, and straight if I go and take a left, I can go towards Nerul, or if I continue further, we can go to this place called Bamanwado. And as you can see here, during the monsoons, Goa transforms into a completely different place. It's just the second day where we've had like continuous rainfall, and you can already see how much greenery is there around us. I have to be a bit careful here because there are cars that come from either sides of the road. Right now we are entering Bamanwado, and I just wanted to take you guys through to this area as well, because I know many of you guys have not been towards this side. Look at this beautiful cross here, and Mother Mary statue is there. And on the right here, let me just turn around. If you can see here, there are fields. So finally it's a very good feeling to see that there is water in the fields, because they have plowed the fields. They had plowed it, and then there was no water for so many days. Now let me just take this left. I know I'm going to hit a dead end, but then I'll just show you the villas over here and the beautiful narrow lanes which you guys love, which I love as well. It's peaceful here, quiet here. You have lots of greenery around, and it's just a great place to stay. Okay, now like I said, we are going to hit a dead end, and we did. That there behind me is a big ground where people have parked their vehicles. I'm going to go straight and take this left here, because this left will take me back towards the main road, and we will come out near this place called Mikey's Place. Very good restaurant for Indo-Chinese cuisine. If you're someone like me who's from Mumbai, and if you miss your Indo-Chinese cuisine, Mikey's Place is a very good option. But a big but. I meant to say BUT, okay. The rates in at that place is very expensive. So once in a while it's fine. And as you can see here, Riga, Kandolim, Goa, lovely, nice resorts and hotels where you can stay. If you want to stay at a quiet place, so you can definitely come here, have a look at their reviews, and book these places. And here in Kandolim, you literally get a mix of everything. You will get small places, you will get homestays, and at the same time you will even find hotels that can create a very big hole in your pocket. I'm guessing this one in front is one of them, Astor. Yeah, but then if you have the money, you can get the honey. And if you're wondering why I'm very happy today, that's because lots of things. First of all, thank God, every day is a beautiful day. I don't know if you watched that reel, but that guy, he speaks about having $10 million. I think he's Australian, and having the option of having $10 million of waking up the next day. What would you choose, guys? Obviously most of us would choose waking up the next day, right? And that's how important life is. Let me take this left. I know this right goes towards the main road, but let me just doggy man is waiting there. Time to take a U-turn. So yeah, like I said, most of you guys will definitely choose to wake up the next day, right? So that's how important life is. So obviously all praise goes to God. We are alive, we are healthy, we get our meals, we have a place to stay. That's one reason that I remind myself to be happy every day. The second reason is Argentina. I support Argentina, and Messi has scored both the goals. So What a superb start to the World Cup, guys. 5 goals he scored already, and already the highest goal scorer in the history of World Cup. That is a crazy record, and how many more records he has. And I think he even has a record for holding the most number of records in football history. So that's really insane. And the third, and obviously one of the very important ones for us in terms of wait, I have to concentrate on the road. In terms of growing this channel and coming up with more vlogs like these is your support. Of course, you guys have supported us. We have so many of our viewers who've been supporting us since years, and you guys have been watching us from all over the world. So when we started, we had no clue. I remember those days when we used to get like 1 subscriber in 3 or 4 days, and that used to make us so happy. And now we get I think 1 subscriber at least almost an hour or every 2 hours or something like that, depending upon how well the videos do. But the channel has grown a lot. Thank you so much, guys. By the way, this is the main Kandolim road, and let me just take a left from here because I have not shown you this area as well. So what I was about to tell you is I want to give a huge, a big, a massive shout out to Michael, who is a member, and secondly Bambina. By the way, Michael is watching us from Northeast India, a very beautiful part of India. I would love to be there. And Bambina is watching us from Canada. And Bambina, you mentioned there was like 4 feet of snow around your place. So right now, yeah, I wouldn't want to be there, but I can imagine how beautiful the place might be during the summers. Now I'm heading towards the beach. So both of you guys, thank you so much. Our videos have always been free and will continue to be free. We won't charge you guys for these videos. By the way, this on the right, where is this? Okay, no, sorry, not this one. Chandrakant, yeah, that's there behind. Chandrakant restaurant for fish thali. Very nice, very affordable, reasonable, tasty thalis. And just look at the ocean here. It is rough and it's so windy. I'll take a U-turn. I don't want to go there. Let me show you some more areas around this place. Yeah, I'm sorry, I keep cutting my conversation. So yeah, again, big thank you to you guys. Our videos have been free and always will be free, but then since you guys have become members, it really shows that you guys appreciate the efforts that we put in, and you guys want to support us in this journey. Yes, it is not easy at all. It takes a lot of time, lot of effort, and for a long time I have used my funds to grow this channel. And when you keep doing that and when you don't get anything, like you don't get a profit, it's very disheartening. But we've somehow gathered the strength to keep going, and when you guys support us like this in terms of memberships and supers and basically in any way, by subscribing, liking, sharing our content, it really means the world to us. Alright, now let's take this right. As you can see, there are many domestic tourists around as well nowadays. So I'm just taking you inside these lanes because I remember I have not taken you guys towards this side. Most of the times when you enter such lanes here, you will reach like dead ends, or you will reach parking spaces, or you will reach the beach area. This one as well is a dead end. But again, you can enter the beach from here, and I don't want to go here because doggy man is right there. Look at it, he's ready. I disturbed his sleep. Even the doggies are susega there, guys. That's how life should be, right? I should be in a hurry. We've always been taught to be in a hurry, to chase something. Why? Why? Life is that way. Anyway, enough of the emo talk. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. Look at these beautiful places. And can I show you some new places? Let me see. Let me go ahead and take the left turn towards the main road. This here, Sunset Beach Resort. Yeah, this is a very well known place here. If you guys are planning to book this place, do check the reviews. I know that this place is very good. Yes, this left I had not taken. Let me go in here. Many international tourists prefer this place. The place has very good reviews. I'm not sure if they have a pool. I think they do have a pool, but please check the reviews, guys. It's one of the places that I've heard a lot, and many of you have commented as well on our videos, if I remember. Sorry, we get a lot of comments nowadays, and that's why I don't really remember, but I try my best to reply to each and every comment. And dead end again. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching our video or videos. If you have, you know what to do. Do like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, please, guys. I really love to read your comments, because at times you tell me about the place where you stay, like there is 4 feet of snow and you live in a hilly area and you experience this and that. I love stories. Who doesn't love stories? Everyone loves a good story. So please tell me your stories in the comments. And until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.